Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So we're playing some Chipper and Sons Lumberco. Oh my gosh. So now it's not as loud. So let's new game. This looks pretty scary. Well, little Tyke, the day has come. No, not the beginning of summer. You're coming of age, but me throwing you out on your furry year. By the time I was your age, I was out building dams, cutting trees, and blowing up termite mounds. The war with the termites has scarred us all. Famine, disease, death. None of those things that have happened, but it still sounds pretty awful, doesn't it? It might happen if a meteor were to hit, so never trust a termite. They might have a meteor. Now get out there and make me proud. I'm giving you a whole I don't know what that word of land to the right of our cabin. Plant trees, cut trees, build stuff, the whole beaver routine. We'll get a hang of it. Show me what you can do, and I'll give you more land and more blueprints to build cooler stuff. Go to the right of our cabin, see your acre. I'm gonna say acre of land. Go to the left to visit the other weirdos or creatures of the forest. I'll give you this walkie-talkie so I can stay in touch with you. Press the button when you see it flashing. Off you go. Oh, okay. Ooh, this looks cool. I think this is... Why do people hate this game? It's awesome. And I'm not being sarcastic. Okay. Rich wood, common wood. Oh, what the hell is this? Ooh, common wood. Why are people saying this game sucks? It's pretty cool. Why don't you try planting a tree now? Find some soil and plant an acorn. You have an unlimited supply. Enough with the spoon feeding, but you're a big boy. Go explore for a while, see what you can find. Ooh, Stork's Crossing. Is that Seabill? And what was that? Should I go? I shouldn't be here. Oh my gosh, this looks so cool. Ugh! Redwood, ooh. That thing is actually scary. Okay. Ugh! What the hell is that? Oh! Where you be coming from? Redwood. Should we go here? What's this? Oh no! This is actually a cool game. Ooh, tiki leaves. Ooh. Okay, common wood. Rich wood. Give me something. Moss lumber. Cool. Should we build, let's build a lumber bot. Yay! Got 100 beaver points. Great job, Tyke. I knew you could do it. Sure, the watering pot makes you look like a little daisy, but the manly set of beaver teeth more than makes up for that. Keep up the good work, and I'll keep giving you more land and more fancy blueprints. There's something I've been meaning to talk to you about, son. It's time to start thinking about the future. For that reason, I've said you. I have to warn you. My last brother said I was very selfish. Shellfish. I don't like that. Oh. Fisher used to be a fisherman. Sick. The only thing I ever caught was this. Oh, that the sound of a rescue ship? Oh, Squiddy has gas again. How unfortunate. Take this for good luck. Okay. Aww. I don't want to play anymore. Let's go out. Ooh. What about 1.0? Burning here is today's haul. That's not a lot. We'll read our furry nemesis as critic offspring. How dreadful. Yes, your father and I go way back. Did you know that he once dressed like a giant and climbed our highest mound? He dropped a bomb right down into the middle of it. Oh boy, there were some mothers crying that day. What a kidder. I have high hopes for you. I think you should have a good head on your shoulders. If you cross any wood scraps, just bring them out over. Maybe we can help each other out. Ooh, what are you? Ooh, a stick. I found this floating in the water earlier. Doesn't seem like anything useful. Do you want it? Tiki bird, ooh. Great job. Some of the inhabitants offer mini games for you to play. Show me your skills. There's a mini game. There's no mini game here. You tricked me. This is so. This song is awesome. Oh, carved seagull. Common with grapes. Ba ba ba. Ba da ba da. The dog walked up to the lemonade stand and he said to the man, "Run, stand." Oh, I get it. Awooga. 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 I'm not playing that. No thanks. Ooh. We got a mini game out here. No mini game. Okay. Hello, mister. Let's build 2 more. No. Yay. Oh, I need 800 beaver points. I don't want to play a minigame, Sibo. Don't ask me how I know his name. I've been playing Tycoon Sons. Okay. Ooh. Nah. That's not fair. Ugh. I'm not gonna play this. Oh, let's play this. What should I do? Yeah, I don't know how to play it, and I'm not gonna play it. How many sticks do I have? What the hell? Cool. Yay, minigame. Ooh. This is my type of game. Okay.
Say, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
I'm confused. Wait. What is that? I don't want to play. What should I do? I have no idea what's happening. What the hell? Fine, I'll try. Get out of here. No mail. Ooh, what the hell? A vintage generator? Ooh. Here. Ooh. This music is actually pretty good. Not in here. Yay! Where? What? The other critters around will give you all sorts of items. Oh! That's awesome! I hate you. Thanks. Thanks. You're awesome. Bam, bam. Bam, bam. Bam, bam. Bam, bam. You guys. Why aren't there no, critters? Where the heck are the critters? Okay. What? Oh. Okay, guys, so that's the end of the video. Bye-bye.